in the 200 meters with a national under-20 record of 22.11 seconds. There she is. What an outstanding talent. Her coach has said that she will return to Holland next season. We'll see if that remains the plan as the summer goes on.
Yeah, and you and I know, Ricardo, a lot can change between today and tomorrow.
On the outside in lane 8, Sean Lepel of Mount Alvernia. Better for me at 100 meters. Let's see how she goes here. Shanika Lindsay, Alphonsus Davis, another of their fine sprinters, 200, 400. And there is Shanoya Douglas, national under-20 record holder at 22.11. Corifta champion 3 times over 200 meters at the under-20 level. World under-20 silver medalist in this event as well. What a talent.
With a fantastic range as well. Very good, over 400 meters.
Inside of her, Samoya Brown of Immaculate will start in lane number 5 with Tahani Bryce of Papine in 4. And then in lane number 2, Shannon Salmon of Mount Alvernia. That's the lineup for the first of 2 semi-final races. The top 3 from each plus the next 2 best on times will advance to the final. And there is your outstanding favorite, Shanoya Douglas.
On your marks.
When you think, Ricardo, about the names that have gone before her and the talents that have been on display, none in Jamaican colors better than her at the junior level.
She's in 6.
Set.
Shanoya Douglas in lane number 6 goes to work early, already closes down on Shanika Lindsay of Alphonsus Davis and Belle of Mount Alvernia. She has the field covered as she enters the straightaway. Samoya Brown of Immaculate going well, and Lindsay expect her to close fast, but Douglas nice and easy and smooth and composed and comes through to win it ahead of Lindsay and Brown. 24-27. Pretty much a stroll for her, and into a strong negative wind as well. The big favorite, Shanoya Douglas, easing through in qualifying.
Yeah, fluid performance from her just now. And I'm sure she would have loved that execution. Her first 3 steps, very quick, very strong, getting up to Lindsay, who's good at 400 meters, but Shanoya Douglas, imperious. Brown of Immaculate, giving it a great run, but this mercurial talent comes through and takes this semi-final with ease. Lindsay comes back to get second. So those 3, Brown, Douglas, Lindsay, will come back for the final, but no doubt about her quality. She has the tools, she has the opportunities to become one of the absolute best in the world.
Yeah, negative 2.2 meters per second, the wind speed for that race. 24.26 for Douglas, Lindsay 24.90, and Brown 24.99, all going through. Bell and Bryce still have a shot, but they'll have to wait and see what happens in the second semi-final.